Start. The very idea of restoring an employee to the position which he held before dismissal or removal or termination of service implies that the employee will be put in the same position in which he would have been but for the illegal action taken by the employer. Stop. The injury suffered by a person, comma, who is dismissed or removed is otherwise terminated from service cannot easily be measured in terms of money. Stop. With the passing of an order which has the effect of severing the employer employee relationship, the latter's source of income gets dried up. Stop. Not only the concerned employee, comma, but his entire family suffers grave adversities. Stop. They are deprived of the source of sustenance. Stop. The children are deprived of nutritious food and all opportunities of education and advancement in life. Stop. At times, comma, the family has to borrow from the relatives and other acquaintance to avoid starvation. Stop. These sufferings continue till the competent adjudicatory forum decides on the legality of the action taken by the employer. Stop. The reinstatement of such an employee which is preceded by a finding of the competent judicial, quasi-judicial body or court that the action taken by the employer is ultra vires the relevant statutory provisions or the principles of natural justice entitles the employee to claim full back wages. Stop. If the employer wants to deny back wages to the employee or contest his entitlement to get consequential benefits, comma, then it is for him or her to specifically plead and prove that during the intervening period the employee was gainfully employed and was getting the some emoluments. Stop. Denial of back wages to an employee, comma, who has suffered due to an illegal act of the employer would amount to indirectly punishing the concerned employee and rewarding the employer by relieving him of the obligation to pay back wages including the emoluments. Stop. Para. The propositions which can be culled out from the aforementioned judgments are: first, in case of wrongful termination of service, comma, reinstatement with continuity of service and back wages is the normal rule. Stop. Second, the aforesaid rule is subject to the rider that while deciding the issue of back wages, comma, the adjudicating authority or the court may take into consideration the length of service of the employee oblique workman, comma, the nature of misconduct, comma, if any, comma, found proved against the employee oblique workman, comma, the financial condition of the employer and other similar factors. Stop. Para. Ordinarily, an employee or workman whose services are terminated and who is desirous of getting back wages is required to either plead or at least make a statement before the adjudicating authority or the court of first instance that he oblique C was not gainfully employed or was employed on lesser wages. Stop. If the employer wants to avoid payment of full back wages, then it has to plead and also lead cogent evidence to prove that the employee oblique workman was gainfully employed and was getting wages equal to the wages he oblique C was drawing prior to the termination of service. Stop. This is so because it is settled law that the burden of proof of the existence of a particular fact lies on the person who makes a positive averments about its existence.